Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import your contacts into Gmail using your PC. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, firstly, you have to open your Gmail in any of your browsers. I'm using this Chrome shortcut here. After opening Gmail, you will get this Contacts option on the right side. Simply click on that Contacts option. From there, maximize it, and after maximizing the contacts, you will get the Import option under Fix and Manage. Simply click on that Import option, and then click on Select File. Now, you have to select the contact file that you have on your computer. Then, click on the Open button and click to import. After doing that, your contacts will successfully be imported into Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.